All right, my friend, today's case is going to be a tough one. It's going to be a case that when you look at it without a lot of detail, it looks like it's going to not be that challenging. When you look at it without thinking, it looks like it's going to be easy. When you look at it without really trying to ask yourself, what am I going to do for this amazing patient to make her life better, to complement her physique? What am I really going to do to change her life? What am I really going to do to impact this person positively? When you look at it with that eye, with that lens, with the lens of truly impacting somebody for the betterment of their life, and from a spot where you know that your true intention is nothing more than to benefit this person, you see there's a lot of detail. You see the asymmetry in the left and right breast. You see the difference between the right and left nipple. You see that this patient has a risk of bottoming out. You see that this case needs a lot of thought, a lot of planning, a lot of consideration. And when you see these things, that's when truly you achieve greatness. Greatness isn't doing the easy case right. What greatness really is understanding the nuances, seeing the zebras, and doing those right. Let's do it.